Welcome, Blender enthusiasts. Today, we're shining a spotlight on some incredible Blender creators whose work is reshaping the way we approach 3D art. From game-changing add-ons to stunning assets, these creators are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in Blender. Let's dive in. First on our list is KemplerArt, the genius behind BakeMaster, a must-have add-on for texture baking in Blender. Say goodbye to time-consuming processes and hello to a streamlined workflow that caters to both beginners and seasoned artists. With features like UDIM support, real-time map previews, and customizable settings, BakeMaster is a game changer. Check out the link in the description to level up your texturing game. Next up, we have Elek, the mastermind behind Color Ramp Converter. Transform your color ramp nodes into custom node groups with ease. But that's not all. Let us dive into Motion Animate, a powerful add-on for motion graphics, and explore 3D Pixels, a project using geometry nodes for creating mesmerizing 3D pixel art. Visit the link in the description to discover these amazing tools and add a splash of creativity to your projects. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about S_Pissy and the Essential Materials and HDRIs library. This massive asset collection boasts nearly 2,400 materials and over 500 HDRIs, offering a plethora of options for your surfacing needs. From realistic car paint to translucent leaves, this library is a game changer. Support the creator and enhance your Blender experience. Find the link in the description. And there you have it, Blender creators you absolutely need to know about. Their contributions are shaping the Blender landscape, making our creative journeys more exciting and efficient. Check out their work, support these creators, and let's continue building an incredible Blender community together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Blender goodness. Until next time, happy blending!